Today we're going to continue adding the and est suffixes in our phonics lesson. Okay, so have a look at these words. What are the rules? So we've got happy, happier, happiest, shiny, shinier, shiniest, nice, nicer, nicest, sad, sadder, saddest, and fat, fatter, fattest. Okay, can you spot the rules there? Have a think about it. Okay, what are the rules? So if you look at the first set of words, we've changed something and we've added the and the est suffix. So can you spot the rules for these words? Okay, so let's have a look together. So can you see happy and shiny both end in a Y? So what do we have to do? We have to change the Y into an I and add either or est. Okay? The word nice ends in an E. What happens if it ends in an E? Can you remember what we have to do? We have to drop the E and add either the or the est suffix. And then these two words here, sad and fat, both have the same spelling rule. What have we done here? Can you see how the word has changed? Or how the words have changed? So these both have short vowel sounds and a consonant at the end. So sad has the vowel A, makes an A sound, and it has a D, which is a consonant. And again, we have the A, which makes an A sound, and it has a consonant, which is T. So can you remember what the rule is? Can you see here? We need to double the consonant and add either the or the est suffix, okay, to change the word. Here are the rules again. So here's just a reminder of what the rules are, okay? So you can have a read of those. Again, I'll save this PowerPoint and you can always come back to it, okay? And now what I'd like you to do today for your activity is to practice your spelling. So here is a list of your spellings, okay? And what I'd like you to do is on the next page, I would like you to, so I'm just going to go over the first example. So practice your spellings and use your words in a sentence. So I've used the first two words. Can you see? The first two words in your spelling list are happier and happiest. And I have used happier. I would be much happier if it wasn't raining. Okay, that's my first word in a sentence. And then my second word, the second word on your list is happiest. He was the happiest man in the room. Okay, so my sentences make sense. I've used those two words in sentences. Can you see what else I've used? I've made sure I've got a capital letter and a full stop. So you need to make sure you've got capital letters and a full stop or other punctuation. Okay, so that is your job today, platypuses. Have a practice. Make sure that you are spelling those words correctly and then keep practicing every day. And your spelling test will be next Friday for these words. Okay, good luck with your practicing.